Example number 2, suppose A varies inversely with B. May given a B, that is 4, A is equal to 1/2, and we are tasked to find the other A when B is 18. So, ito yung kanina, yung math tip natin, na kapag may mga missing, ito yung pwede natin gamiting formula representation. Okay? So, sige, gamitin natin dito. This time, imbes na X and Y, gumamit tayo ng A and B. So, we all know that A and B are inversely proportional. Okay? Inversely proportional, then we can say that pwede natin gamitin itong a's of 1 times b's of 1 equals a's of 2 times b's of 2. Okay? Yan na yung ating formula representation to be able to use this one. This time, papangalanan natin lahat ng mga given dito. So, itong 4 na to, papangalanan natin yung b's of 1. O sige, hanapin muna natin a's of 1 muna, no? So, a's of 1, of course, hanapin din natin yung b's of 1. Ano ba yung a's of 2? Ano ba yung b's of 2? Okay? So, for us to find this, let's read the given. A's of 1, merong given na A dito. Unang A is 1 over 2. Next, yung b's of 1, that is 4. Okay, ito yun. Ito yung a's of 1, this is b's of 1. Okay? And then a's of 2, yun yung hahanapin natin. Yan yung missing. B's of 2, that is going to be 18. Okay? Using the formula, this is gonna be the solution. So, a's of 1, that is 1/2. A's of 1, that is 1. Next, b's of 1 times b's of 1, ito yung 4 dito. Okay? Equals sa a's of 2, yan ang hahanapin natin. So, isusulat lang natin yan dito. B's of 2, that is going to be 18 from the given. Okay, so for us to do that, we have to simplify this particular whole number and fraction, get the multiplication, 4 times 1/2 times 4, that is going to be 2. Okay? So, paano nakuha? 1 times 4, that is 4, divided by 2, that is 2. Equals, a's of 2 times 18, of course, we have 18 a's of 2. Okay, for us to find the second A, we will divide both sides by 18. Okay? So, we divide both sides by 18, isolating the A squared because that is what we want to look on. So, a's of 2, the remaining one, would be 2 divided by 18. That is equal to 1 over 9. Okay, sa mga tatanong bakit naging 1 over 9, kinuha ko yung lowest term ng 2 over 18. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. And this is gonna be the lowest term. Na-reduce na natin into lowest term ang ating final example or given. And this is gonna be the missing number. The missing number is 1 over 9. Okay, so I just want to give you this one. Try number 2. Write it in your notebook. I-follow yung process kanina, kung ano ginamit natin na method. Then, we will check it in our classroom. So, example